Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another sunny day. It is a little bit cloudy, but there is blue sky out there. Let's walk and check out the neighborhood here and also go to the beach and have a look how it looks right now there. There's something new going on here. This is crazy. Looks like it's gonna be a big place right next to the brand new pickleball place. So the pickleball court was actually some kind of parking spot for the government or army also. Maybe it is army, that would be funny, then they also call it T-Army pickleball. But it was basically the parking spot for this government building, I think. I think it's a government, I'm not 100% sure what it is. I mean, maybe it's not anymore, probably not. Because there's a company name downstairs now. So I guess they're also moved and another company moved in. OCCD with a cube. Yeah, but I don't know. So this was always a parking. Now they did something good with it. They made a pickleball court. I think it's very nice. I think it's good for the community and for people meeting and doing the exercises. I think it's great. I don't like pickleball as a sport, but I like what pickleball does with people. So I always support it. I still make fun of pickleball players because it's funny. But I really like it. I support it. There's also, we interviewed some guys on the German channel and they all explained how many friends they made during pickleball playing. And that's why it's a very good place to meet new friends and activities other than drinking alcohol, meeting at the bar. Something is getting built here as well. Okay, let's check out the little side streets here. We're going into An Thuong 4. Because it's always super, it's like, I'm walking here, 2 weeks later, it's completely different. A new place is showing up. It's crazy. And I think they're renovating here. They're fixing things. They also had a few times, a few weeks ago, some raves here. Very interesting raves. This is where I lived, in this house. But to the other side, this is the house. I lived on the 8th floor to the other side. This is where I lived now for 3.5 years in this building. So as you can see, this is my neighborhood. It was. I'm not living here anymore. This was always my neighborhood. That's why I made all these videos here always. I'm still here almost every day because I'm meeting Marcus and then we're doing videos. We're preparing things for our Thailand trip. We're gonna do super nice interviews in Thailand. I'm excited. Free workspace, all-day breakfast, and 20,000 dong coffee. It is morning now, and as you can see, it feels like that. It's 9:38. Two Ladies Kitchen is one of the most popular and biggest, and not for me, it's not my taste, but for many people, including Marcus, his favorite banh mi is over there. Okay? So, and if you see it like this at 9:38, that really means there's no tourism going on. At least Western tourism or everything but Asian. I think Vietnamese tourists, they don't go to these banh mi shops. They actually go to noodle shops. They usually eat local noodles. I think My Quang is the number one, or Bun Bo. It's the one thing that is always packed right now at the moment in this season is Donald Chung. Donald Trung. Is completely packed. I think because it's such a central Vietnamese classic. Everyone from the north and south goes there to eat. when they're doing a vacation here. So I think if you want to have the real authentic experience, you should go there. But it's getting rowdy there. It's yeah, I've been there when it was packed. It's kind of crazy to see. Also, all the food rests going on the floor and napkins, and people start smoking, and yeah. But it is as authentic as it gets. Charming beauty hotel. I saw some comments the other day on my video where I did a video about $10 to $20 and then 20 to 30, and all those prices I double checked now. The price is doubled. Oh, look at this. Good day. The brothers are back, huh? So yeah, so all the prices, I'm comparing it to the same time I actually filmed them 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, I double checked yesterday. The prices were around 10 to 12 US dollar, and now it's 24 on the same day. Because I remember I filmed it and edited and uploaded on the same day. It's always what I'm doing. Sometimes if I'm going on a trip, I record more walking tours on the day, but at the moment it's also the same day. So if you're asking yourself, when is this filmed? It's filmed today, bro. Or it's at least in the month. At least in the month. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with Germany. Yes, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually film in Germany too. Walking tours. For the other things, I'm not sure. We will see. But the prices from the hotels, I think doubled. Exactly doubled from 2 years ago. 2 years ago, they doubled. My God, that looks good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Opening promotion. 50% off. Your everyday snack buddy. Brio snack bar. Guys, if this beef tenderloin brioche looks anything like on the photo, I mean, this is all AI, right? But yeah, this is how it looks at the moment. Are you open already?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Oh, nice. I just want to film it real quick. Nice. I cannot eat yet, but I will come back and eat. Okay, cool. When did you open?
We are pre-opening, so we have a discount 50%.
Nice. That's like that. Okay. Have a good day. Okay.
Yeah, have a good day, sir.
Okay, guys. So if you're seeing this today, go pay them a visit and congratulate them to their new business. Oh wow, this changed as well. The Cat and Cup, I know that already. Cat cafe. I'm allergic against cats, so I will never go in there. But this is also new, between two worlds, French cafe and brunch. Wow. So this here was a Brazilian vegan cafe, and now it's becoming French. Hey, dear France, isn't it enough that you're already the best in the football all the time? Huh? You need to take over. Like this is this is crazy. It was a Brazilian vegan place, and now it's a French. Sacre bleu, ooh la la. Oh man. But yeah, this next door, the Brio's next door, looks good. But this is what's happening everywhere here. Every place in this neighborhood that usually had motorbike parking in the basement from their living space, you know, then now they have a business in there, getting another rent. Just like in my apartment building, they charged them 30 million, and I remember we always parked there. But yeah, this is how it went now. It's crazy. So when we moved into our apartment 3.5 years ago, then the parking spot was big. And at some point last year, they just halved it and rented it out. Someone went in there and failed hard with a massage place. And then they failed hard, and then someone else now came in and made a nail salon or something. and I think it's okay. I think they're doing good. But it's still hard. It's like 30 million dong for a small little thing to rent. A small little shop house, not shop house, a small little space for 30 million dong. Crazy. I don't know how they're gonna do this. But I know how it's gonna happen. Prices will go up with these rents. So at the moment, you already feel it a little bit. Here, if you eat a banh mi here, I mean, at the moment, the family, what was the name again? My God, the banh mi shop over there. They're still good because I think they own their home, and it's a family business. Check this out, guys. Look how empty everything is. This is crazy. They also moved Bikini Bottom, but they're still open. So they have another shop, but it's not that packed anymore. It's breakfast time, guys. So very unusual. So I think this Badao family, I think they own their place, their house over there, and I think they also live there, and it's a family business. And but everyone who's coming here and opening a business, it's going to be very expensive. Look at this. Argentina is playing. Or? No, it was yesterday, right? Or are they playing right now? I'm rooting for Switzerland, guys. But I think Switzerland is out of too, right? No, they're playing right now. Oh my God. Please don't let this World Cup. Oh my God. 3-0, 3-1. That's so sad. I guess I don't know who I'm for now. It's going to be very difficult. Here it looks pretty busy. I mean, by cars, but not that many people. If you really look into it, look at this. This is also a crazy indicator. If Roots is not packed, it's not packed, guys. And this is usually always packed with digital nomads and vegan people. Not even vegan people. People go there and they're not even vegan. Because it's, I don't know why, but they go there and work. I think it's fast internet. Have the moon milk. Let me know, what are you thinking? How does it? It feels like it gives me a low season vibe. Of course, it's not low season vibe 2 years ago, but I think it could be what it is right now. Even though it's perfectly weather. We're gonna go to the beach now. Double check. Let's see how the weather is now there. Texas barbecue. Food body tie, shampoo eyelash.
tomorrow.
It's kind of crazy to see this building was completely demolished. For what? They don't even work on it. Like, this was a hotel, a true hotel. I'm wondering what it was. Maybe there was a problem with the construction, with the building. Sometimes they just tear down 10-year-old big hotels again, you know? Maybe there is something wrong inside and they just find out. Maybe it's cheaper to tear it down. But yeah, I can remember I actually showed you the whole process of them tearing it down. On this channel, you can just go back and then at some point you will see it, how it looked, how they tear it down. This is actually where I don't want to walk, because I saw one of those metal things just dropping down one time. Gotta be careful here, guys. The beach looks completely calm again. So, when yesterday it was for the surfers, today is for the swimmers and for the children. I think it looks super calm. So today, easy. I think there's no restrictions. You can just go in. I can see 0 waves, guys. Oh, a little bit, a little bit. Oh, some waves are there. But it don't look like it's from far away. But they break a little bit earlier, closer to the shore. Yes, they are a little bit, but way less than yesterday. Yesterday was a rough sea. This, I would say, is the typical summer sea. Very calm. You could easily paddleboard in there. Yep. I see some surfers getting there, swimming in, I guess. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.